present the benefits of dignitary. Whether institute of technology and temple of knowledge, we are all the worshippers of knowledge. So, in this auspicious occasion, I would like to request our dignitaries to light the ceremonial lamp. Please, sir. Thank you, sir. Today is a momentous occasion, a culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Today is the day of celebration, reflection, and new beginnings. Your graduation day. For your students, you are not going to the end of your academic journey. You are just approaching a new world. And what is the skills and abilities you have learned here, you can use for your future endeavors. It is not just like new chapters of your life. You are stepping into a new world which is full of challenges and opportunities. As technical graduates, you hold the power to innovate, to solve real-life problems and make a difference. Whatever you need to work in an industry or to research or make a difference, and also you can make your own future. Success is not just about securing a good job or earning a good salary. It is about making impact, improving your life, and also staying true to your passion. My dear students, you are all the ambassadors for this institution. Breathe the name of our college with pride and honor and stay connected with us. Your attendance will always be a proud moment for us. The future is yours. Congratulations. Go ahead, great team. Now, it's my privilege and honor to request our esteemed chairperson to address to the four graduates.
Good afternoon. I welcome all the alumni to the college. मुझे लगता है कि बहुत पुराने स्टूडेंट जो होंगे 2009 ऑनवर्ड कुछ हैं स्टूडेंट जिनके काफ़ी सारा सर्टिफिकेट हमारे पास अभी भी पेंडिंग पड़ा है, बहुत सारा सर्टिफिकेट। आई वाज क्वाइट डिलाइटेड। जो पुराने बच्चे हैं जो बहुत पुराने हैं 2009 ऑनवर्ड जो बच्चे थे उनको यहाँ वेलकम करने के लिए, आप लोगों को भी वेलकम करने के लिए, क्योंकि जो पुराना कॉलेज था 2009 ऑनवर्ड काफ़ी स्ट्रगल किए हैं बच्चे यहाँ पढ़ने के लिए। तो इनका था उस टाइम पे और उस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में जैसे पढ़ाई करके गए हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं तो हम लोगों को भी लगता है कि चलो हमने आपको वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर उस टाइम पे प्रोवाइड नहीं कर पाया। हो सकता है आज का दिन में जो बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं यहाँ पे या अभी भी जो ग्रेजुएट हुए हैं उनको बहुत अच्छा इंफ्रा हम लोग दे पा रहे हैं, क्योंकि वी हैव गॉट अराउंड 14 स्मार्ट क्लासरूम जिसमें 14 पैनल्स लगे हुए हैं, एयर कंडीशन क्लासरूम है, बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं। लेकिन आप लोगों को शायद किसी को मौका मिला होगा, नहीं मिला होगा, तो कहीं पे कहीं हम लोगों को थोड़ा सा वो पैनिक करता है। ठीक है, अभी तो इनका अच्छा हो गया है। We are going to start another block, मेट्रोलॉजी ब्लॉक। मेट्रोलॉजी के जो भी बच्चे हैं अगर कभी 6 महीने के बाद या 1 साल के बाद घूमने आते हैं तो एक नया ब्लॉक बन रहा है जिसमें 8 लेबोरेटरीज है, 8 क्लासरूम्स है और धीरे धीरे करके कॉलेज ग्रो कर रहा है। अच्छा कॉलेज ग्रो करने के लिए 15 से 20 साल लगता है। बड़ा कॉलेज इतना जल्दी से नहीं हो पाता है, क्योंकि बड़े बड़े लोग होते हैं जो बहुत बड़ा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर लेके शुरू करते हैं, लेकिन कोई अच्छा कॉलेज पढ़ाई में और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में करने के लिए 15 से 20 साल लग जाता है। तो इस कॉलेज का, हर कॉलेज का एक स्ट्रगल रहता है। ठीक है, तो आप लोग तो आई थिंक जो पुराने बच्चे हैं, मेरे ख्याल से आप लोग ऑलरेडी एम्प्लॉयड हैं कहीं कहीं से, जो एम्प्लॉयड नहीं है हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं, अगर ये डाटा हम लोग के साथ शेयर करेंगे तो कुछ मदद हम भी कर सकते हैं आपको। इसीलिए मैंने रजिस्ट्रेशन से कोई कॉलम रखा है कि कहीं अगर किसी को जॉब की जरूरत है, कॉन्टैक्ट है हमारा कंपनी के साथ में, हम लाइब्रेरी करके आप लोगों को प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं। इसके बाद जो बच्चे ऑलरेडी एम्प्लॉयड है तो आपने सबसे कोशिश कीजिए ताकि हम लोग वेबसाइट पे उसको डाल सकेंगे। ठीक है, थैंक यू ऑल, थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग।
Thank you, sir, for your inspirational and informative speech. We are really indebted to you for your gracious presence on this occasion. Now, I would like to request our principal sir to address our graduates. Please, sir.
Very good afternoon, all of you. Young engineers, it is my proud privilege to welcome you all for Federal Institute of Technology. Respected dignitaries in the dais, our motivator, chairman sir, and director administration, Das Babu, and all my faculty members, and my dear students. It is a very great honor. I am going to share with you why we are celebrating this graduation day. On 5th February 2025, this previous month, I have received certificates from Honorable Vice Chairman of UPT at Raurkela, 5th February. Vice Chancellor declares on that day to all and advise to all the principals, after getting the certificates from him, he advised us to distribute all the certificates to the students and make another arrangement, another graduation day ceremony, and you invite all the students, pass-out students, and distribute the certificates. According to him, we have organized such a graduation day ceremony today now for you, and we all are excited being part of this graduation day ceremony. We have discussed with your chairman and also officials how you distribute the certificate to you. After getting the certificates, like in a convocation or in the university, all the universities in convocation day ceremony, generally the certificates are distributed to the students. But in college level, simply you only have passed over 2025, then you will get the certificates after 2-3 years. Original certificate. This is the original certificate, not provisional certificate. In provisional certificates, after 1 month or after declaration of result, immediately we continue with provisional certificates and marks. But previous year, come to the previous year now, after examination result published, immediately after within 1 week, the result will be declared and certificates issued by the university to the colleges. So anyway, so I have received the certificates from the Honorable Vice Chancellor, and today we have organized the graduation day ceremony, and we are distributing you your certificates today. What I am saying is, what is the aim of the ceremony? Being a graduate engineer, you are technical, all of you are technical engineers. You have to apply your technical knowledge in every field. like either mechanical or electrical or civil metallurgy, oil of the brands. Once you have the certificate, once you have the degree certificate or you have the technical knowledge, so how you utilize your knowledge? Simply you appear the examination and pass, nothing is important, Devian can say what happened, if input is like this, output is whatever. If I give a small example, like suppose Ohm's law. In Ohm's law, we have already studied in from the class 10. E equal to I bar, voltage equal to current into resistance. So, within 100 students, if anyone of the students equally wants how the Ohm's law is verified, how Ohm's law will be verified. Voltage equal to current into resistance. Simply you plug switch on the fan will be moving, and or if you switch on the AC, you get a good one. So that is not nothing. In the layman and you, what is the difference from you and layman? Do you understand or not? There is some technical knowledge behind it. Being you are engineers, you must know how it will be happen. Suppose if I say, suppose there is a ball and there is some resistance, and if you apply the voltage, 10 volt you apply, and the electric ohm is your resistance, current is your 10 by 2 equal to 5. Isn't it? So V equal to IR, I equal to VIR. If you practically do this experiment, you get that result, you will be very happy. You understand or not? Whatever you read in your book and you apply, then you will be more satisfied. You cannot believe, after 25 years back, in 2000, 1999 to 2000, when I have got me graduate engineer and I have joined Capital Motors Limited, Noida, Delhi, as a training engineer. Being a training engineer, in Noida, some of you are working at Delhi, Chowda Mode, Barabai Chowda Mode, Delhi, and there is a factory, Capital Motors Limited. In that factory, I have joined as a graduate engineer training. Salary is 10,000. Graduate engineer training I have joined within 1 month. In that factory, only 2 engineers. One graduate engineer, another is a BSc, graduation bachelor in science degree, and another all other ITI diploma holder like that. I have joined as a research and development section, R&D section. So, the chief engineer in that factory told me, in 1 month you have to work each department within 1 week. 7 days you have to work in 1 week. After several departments, tool room, testing, all the departments, and I have joined as a, I think in the last week of that month, I have joined as an electrical section. And in electrical section, I found there are so many production of the transformer, small size transformer, small size, medium size, like that. And that people, I think 15 or 10 to 15 years, the people have worked in that department. And that, hello, he knows input is 220 volt, output is 10 volt. He does not know how the input is 220 volt, output is 10 volt. When I went to that department, I described it, input is 220 volt, output is 10 volt, and the torque ratio is 10:1. According to the ideal transformer ratio, V2 by V1 equal to N2 by N1. If V2, we have to find out the secondary voltage, primary voltage is 220. So that is your 220. Now we have to find out the output voltage. V2 by 220 is equal to 1 by 10 and V2 is equal to 22 volt. Yeah, so right. And 10 to 15 years he does not know how the 22 volt will come. And he knows only there are some couple years are there, how the core will form, and I will get the input and I will get the output. And he knows 220 volt input and output is 20 volt, and he does not know how it becomes 22 volt. After that, when I tested that formula and all these things, and he tested so many transformers, and he will be very happy, and he made accommodate some hotel, and so much happy. After 15 years, he does not know how the input will be converted to output. So that is a real engineer can know any technical knowledge, small formula can be applied in such nice. So that's what I am telling you. You want to know the particular technical knowledge needed. Any field of maybe civil or maybe mechanical, maybe electrical, electronic, whatever maybe. As an engineer, you want to know and you have to apply your knowledge so that it will be different from others. So thank you very much. I will not take any more time and I thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful, thought-provoking, and sharing your practical life experience in the present scenario in modern technology and science. Thank you so much, sir. Now, it's my honor and it gives me immense pleasure to request our director, sir, to address for graduates. Please, sir.
I think a journey which has started around approximately 4 years back. Most of you are recently passed graduates, so 4 years. For those who are a bit older, maybe 2016 students, so it is almost 8 years now. A journey which has started then. What shall we say? It has come to a full stop. How shall we put a comma? The journey has come to a full stop, or there is a comma. But why comma? Because the relationship between you and us has not come to standstill. The relationship that we have started 5 to 6 years back will continue. I don't think any of you who goes out of this room will ever forget us. Even if you forget, there are many whose faces we can still recognize. Maybe 2016 students, those who will come to collect the certificates, we still remember you. We are nobody without you. A college is a college only when there are students. If there is no student in the college, then it is only walls. Structure of concrete, civil engineers. It is just a structure of concrete. Without you, we are zero. So whatever support you have given to us till now, I expect the same from you even after you go out collecting certificates. Not talking much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Such a thought-provoking, insightful, instructional speech. Sir, I have given the idea, the relationship between the organization and the students is like a two-sided coin. Because if you forget the one side, we cannot do with the one side. So this is the relationship between the organization, your institution. That's why education makes our life very meaningful. Education is not just like to get a high salary, get a good job. Education makes it changes our behavior. It makes us a complete human being. My dear students, now it's my honor to request our most venerable madam, excellent madam, Shriti Mohanty, Civil Department, to present our beautiful.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chairman sir, Director sir, Principal sir, esteemed faculty members, dedicated staff and proud students. We are here to celebrate our academic success in this day. I congratulate our graduating students in our
education is toward your students. Now, I would like to request Radhakumari Pani, Metallurgical Department, please ma'am, from my darling.
Thank you, Ms. Jyoti ma'am, for inviting me on the stage. And good afternoon to respected dignitaries sitting over here, and my dear colleagues and my dear students. So, as we know today, we all have gathered here to celebrate this day graduation ceremony. What do you mean by this day? So, this day is a special day of their celebration, a day of achievements, or we can say transition into a new phase of life, or the ending of one chapter and the beginning of another one. So I would like to explain by giving one famous Einstein equation. That is Einstein E is equal to mc square, as E is the kinetic energy and m is the mass. So this equation tells us that energy and mass are interchangeable. Okay, but in real life it teaches us something deeper. Like simple things can change the big world, or simple idea can change the world. So wherever you go in your life, whatever be the position, never forget your roots from where you have started your career, like your teachers, your guidance, your parents, or your schooling or college. Okay. So at last but not the least, I would like to congratulate all of you and thank you for being a part of this beautiful event. And may your future be as bright as born in Elixir River and as strong as Coal and Bond. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Radhakumari, for a wonderful speech. Now, I would like to request Subhash Chandra Vidyasar, EDC Department, to attend to our young ones. Please, sir.
Good afternoon. Respected Chief Minister, respected Minister, and respected and Bhagwan, I want to thank all students for coming. I am Professor Veda, History of Department of I excited to have the opportunity to share few thoughts because our life is complex and beautiful journey. It is a mixture of experiments, challenge, and moment of joy. Life is a path that constantly evolves. So I watching our students day-to-day life growing, learning, and achieving new heights. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. In this speech, sir has given the idea life is like a zigzag line. It's not constant. We have to grow. We have to different good qualities within us to become a good citizen of our India. As a citizen of the country, we have to do some good things for our country. Because you are all technical students and you are the main member of this Vedan Institute of Technology. Now, it's my pleasure to request for someone in your director, Civil Mechanical Department. Please, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. A very hearty and warm good afternoon, respected dignitaries and on the rise, respected faculty members. and my dear graduates. I am Sumananjan Naik, I am professor in mechanical department. It's a very joyful moment to see all of you over here in this occasion of Announcement Day. I also don't know how much years back you can come over here. I did not have about 2021, but after the start, I over here. In 2009, that also student many over here. So I will not take more time about too much less. The two most important things I want to say all of you. What is the importance of your presence for the college? Why this day is here? You are not only a graduate now, you are the part of the alumni cell of our college. So what is the importance of alumni cell for the college and for yourself? Because you are that part of the life where you are going to take a responsibility for society, for yourself, for your family, as well as the institution from where you are from, and the organization you are working now in the present. So you are now going to be a responsible person. The alumni needs the responsibility that you are taking for the college. At the time when the college taking the responsibility for you, when you did it. एक समय था जब तुम भी करते थे, कॉलेज ने जो भी दिया था, अब तुम उस चीज को वापस करोगे. As a responsibility, it is not college boundary or not taking for it. Or it is every institution which is going to be or developing in the future to just go and solve or get find out. The alumni is very much strong at their part. The alumni student giving the 70% contribution for the development of the college or institution. So your responsibility started from here after the graduation. So graduation is not ended. It is just a study. Other than you are only taking the responsibility for yourself, for your study to be a graduate. But after the graduation, now you are going to take a responsibility for the others. Now, along with yourself, now you are capable to take a responsibility for the others. This is the duty of the graduates and alumni of our college, of every institution. And another one thing I have to say that every student they say two things that is successful or to be a successful. Every student that for 4 to 5 students they come, they have the day to come over here and to say their experience. There is a good position for that. Pretty congratulations that you are still in a very good position. And also I am very happy that you announced just that whoever is not employed also they get in the contact with the institution they get in the future aspect life to get employed. It is a very great step by our respected honorable chairperson. So successful and one thing is valuable. Okay, you always say the successful person. So valuable thing is to remember much more than the successful one because these two differences that very simple difference. Successful means what you are doing for yourself. You want to be a topper, you become the topper. You want to be a manager, you become the manager. What you are doing for yourself, it is success. What is the valuable person? What you achieve after the success, what you provide service to others. That is the valuable one. What you are providing after you are become the capable, that is more valuable. छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ, एक कॉमन एग्जाम्पल है, सब जानते हैं इसीलिए दे रहा हूँ. हमारे देश में जो सबसे बड़ा उद्योग है, मतलब रिलायंस फाउंडेशन है, वो टाटा भी है. और यहाँ पे टाटा भी कोई काम नहीं करते, बिजनेस भी काम करेंगे. ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं कर रहा हूँ. छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ, ये सब नहीं जानते हैं. रिलायंस जो फाउंडेशन है वो सबसे सक्सेसफुल है. ओके, वो रिचेस्ट है इंडिया में और एशिया में. रिचेस्ट सेकंड है, अभी तो 8 में आ चुका है, सबसे जो है. लेकिन टाटा रिचेस्ट नहीं है इंडिया में, लेकिन टाटा इज ए वैल्यूएबल ब्रांड. व्हाई? The amount of service Tata is providing to Indian countries, to the different types of multinational countries, the Tata is providing the services. 8 type of services, schooling, 8 type of programs, schooling programs, there 8 type of programs are there from the Tata. That is make the Tata stand different from others. That is the best example of the valuable and the successful person. So I hope that if you are able to understand, go ahead in your life, work with all of you, we have bright future ahead, and the path of us become a valuable person, automatically the valuable person is a successful one. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for such a wonderful speech. Sir has given what is the measure of success. Success is not like a small thing. You have to do hard work, perseverance, dedication to get a success. My dear students, you have to set your goal because you are all the engineering graduates and you have to set your goal. What do you mean by goal? First thing you have to make yourself disciplined. What are the positive qualities you have to improve inside yourself? Then you can grab adaptiveness, and nowadays all the multinational companies they are giving importance to the English communication skill. Although English is an international language, it's the language of study, it's the language of politics, it's the language of international relationship, all these things. My dear students, now it's my pleasure. I would like to request our Someshri Senapati Madam from Civil Department to propose a very insightful vote of thanks for this meeting. Please. I need a big round of
Good afternoon, everyone. As someone a motivational speaker once said, feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a gift and not giving it. So, esteemed Chairman Sir, Honorable Principal Sir, respected Director Sir, teaching and non-teaching staff and dear graduates. I, Someshri Senapati, Assistant Professor of Civil Engineering, deem it a great honor and privilege to be the extreme vote of thanks on this occasion. It is a great honor for me to express our heartfelt gratitude to the guiding force behind our institution, our esteemed Chairman, Mr. Pramod Kumar Satpathy Sir. Sir, your vision, leadership, and unwavering commitment to excellence have been the foundation of Gujarat Institute of Technology. Under your guidance, our institution was providing quality education, fulfilling innovation, and shaping the future of countless students. My special thanks goes to our sir for his constant encouragement and support, which created an environment where students can thrive and achieve their dreams. We are really indebted to you, sir. Thank you to present you. Next, I would like to thank the third bearer of this event, our respected principal sir, Dr. Pradyumna Mohapatra sir, for leading and inspiring us in working towards the goal of conducting this event. We are thankful to him for his huge support all the time. Thank you, sir. Next, I mention my deep sense of gratitude to our Director of Admin, Mr. Surendra Dutt sir, for his all-finished support and vision commitment towards this event. Thank you so much. My heartfelt thanks to the chair of various departments and all the faculty members for their valuable contribution and guidance. Thank you so much, all the faculty members. Conducting this event would have been impossible if I do not thank Ms. Chintanmoy Mishra, ma'am. And my special thanks goes to the non-teaching staff present here without their effort who have devoted lot of time and energy for this program. Thank you all. Now, I will be failing in my duty if I did not thank all these graduates. Thank you so much all graduates. This event is joyful because of your presence here. Thank you so much. If I have missed out somebody. Thank you again to all assembled here for making this event successful. I request Jyoti ma'am to continue this. Thank you.
So, madam, we are going to again to protest. Now is the time for one of the most memorable moments of this ceremony. The distribution of certificates, where we honor our BTech scholars for their hard work and achievements. To do honors, I humbly invite our esteemed chairperson to kindly come and present certificates to our proud graduates. Sir, we are truly honored by your presence today, and we would be grateful if you would inspire our students as they step into a new chapter of their life. Dear graduates, as your name is announced, please come forward. We try to receive your certificate. Let us make this moment special with a big round of applause. I would like to request our esteemed chairperson sir to distribute certificates to our graduates. Olkar, Pratap Chandra Olkar, and etc. Please I need a big round of applause. Thank you, Pratap Kumar. Ravindra Pandey, Triple E. Thanks, Ravindra. Rakesh Kumar Sahu, Mechanical. Thanks, Rakesh. Sunil Pal, Mechanical. Sadia Iqbal, Computer Science. Sadia Iqbal. Sadia Iqbal, not present here. Keshav Iqbal, Mechanical. Rahul Dubey, Mechanical. Rahul Kumar, Metallurgy. MD Ali, Metallurgy. Ashish Singh, Metallurgy. Ashish Singh, Metallurgy. Deepa Hafal, Triple E. Deepa Hafal, Triple E. Mandal Lal Patel, Metallurgy. Deepa Hafal. Madan Lal Patel, Metallurgy. Sangeet Sanjeev Kumar of Civil. Now I would like to request our honorable principal sir to distribute the certificates. Sanjeev Kumar of Civil. Vishwajit Samantray, Civil. Nonita Maji, Civil. Nonita Maji, Civil. Nonita Maji, Civil. Anupama Lohia, Civil. Anupama Lohia. Anupama Lohia. Lalit Mohan Goi, Civil. Rohit Anjali Bhatt, Civil. Avinash Gandhi, Mechanical. Avinash Gandhi. Vaibhav Gandhi, Mechanical. Vaibhav Gandhi. Padmanabh Kumura, Mechanical. Amrish Bharna. Yaswant Sahu. Rupesh Kumar, Metallurgy.
नाम नहीं आ रहा तेरा नाम नहीं आ
Sanjeev Kumar Priya, Metallurgy.
All you want to know, those who are getting the certificate, once you verify all your, after you not claim the my name is some declaration. Okay.
Vinayak Verma, Metallurgy. Vinayak Verma, Abhishek Nath, Civil. Sanjeev Kumar Rao, Civil.
से भाई भी राजी
Abhishek Nath. Abhishek Nath. Ashish Dharpat, Civil. Dinesh Tani, Civil. Jagadish Baji, Civil. Sithantanu Kumar, Civil. Sithantanu Kumar, Civil. Akula Lokesh, Inteshwari Sahu, Civil. Inteshwari Sahu, Kunal Modi, Mechanical. Ramesh Singh, Mechanical. Nancy Mondile, metallurgy. Nancy Mondile. Nancy Mondile. Purnesh Riyangan, metallurgy. Tarun Verma, metallurgy. Abhishek Kohli, metallurgy. Abhishek Kohli. Suraman Reza. Suraman. Krishna Chandra Patel, metallurgy. Krishna Chandra Patel. Gaurav Vishwas. Nirmal Sagar, civil. Nirmal Sagar, civil. Nirmal Sagar. Ashutosh Chhatriya, civil. Jyotirendra Sethi, civil. Jyotirendra Sethi. Ashutosh Chhatriya, Jyotirendra Sethi. Paresh Mukri, civil. Paresh Mukri.
ग्रुप सारे चाहिए
Paresh Mukri. Rakesh Kumar, civil.
फोटो दरकार से भाई से ब्लैक कटिंग
Paresh Mukri. Rakesh Kumar, civil. Abhishek Putri, metallurgy. Adarsh Kumar Behra, metallurgy. Akhirnya Ishita Sundia, metallurgy. Dear students, please silence please. So after the completion of this distribution ceremony, we need your group photo. So don't leave the place. Please stay for the group photo, and we have also lunch. You can have your lunch here, then you can go and leave this house. Okay? Anil Kumar Sethi, Ganesh Sahu, metallurgy. Hitesh Kumar Devangan, metallurgy. Hitesh Kumar. Hemant Kumar Kaura, metallurgy. Mohin Siddhi, metallurgy. Mohin Siddhi. Monica Lakwa, metallurgy. Monica Lakwa. Priti Holi, metallurgy. Rahul Gosai. Rahul Gosai. Rahul Gangubai. Rahul Gangubai, metallurgy. Supali Korai, metallurgy. Supali Korai. Sanjita Patra, metallurgy. Kanjan Maji. Kanjan Maji, Sabir. Kanjan Somo, Recognition. Rasmohan Jumbo. Mechanical. Udon Mundo. Anas Kumar. Silko. Sabir. Anas Kumar Silko. Sanket Forest Liberty. Sanket Forest Kanchan Mantri, Siddhi, Sabati Dayal, Anita Dada, Sabati Dayal, Anita Kaka, wishing you all a bright future ahead. Stay in faith. Ashish Singh.
ಪಿಸ್ಟೆಟ್ ಪಿಸ್ಟೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ
ठीक